Huawei's Watch 4 series launched back in May of last year, and it seems we are about to get a new version for the Watch 4 Pro. Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Exploration Edition appeared in a series of hands-on images leaks on Chinese social media showcasing a dark titanium casing and watch strap with red accent colors, its edges and bezels. The TC4 titanium used on the Watch 4 Pro is already aerospace grade, so we doubt Huawei will change up the material choices for the upcoming space exploration version. Huawei is expected to launch the upcoming watch with HarmonyOS 4.0 out of the box, which brings several updates like the ability to access arrhythmia, new watch faces, and interval training mode and system optimizations. Maybe it equips a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display, the ultra-long battery life mode that lets it work 8 to 12 days in typical use and 14 to 21 days for normal tasks. The device can support 5V9V DC/2A charging, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, barometer, ECG, depth, optical heart rate sensor, and more. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.